Welcome to Coryell Health Independent Living at the Oaks. Here, you can enjoy independent living in beautiful surroundings supported by the loving care of dedicated professionals. At the Oaks, residents enjoy independent residential living with special care services like prepared meals, regular housekeeping, and common areas to enjoy the companionship of friends and family. We maintain a full calendar of social, educational, and special interest events and provide transportation for errands and outings around town. Residents of independent living at the Oaks can choose from a variety of floor plans to suit individual needs. All of our rooms include safe, private bathrooms and windows onto our beautiful grounds. Our larger floor plans include full-size kitchen appliances, including an oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher. Many of our larger apartments also include a covered patio so you can enjoy the beauty of Central Texas. Our studio apartment floor plans also include a private bathroom and a kitchenette. All of our floor plans offer residents individual climate control over heating and air, cable television, and more. We encourage residents at the Oaks to bring their own furniture, decorations, and personal items so that their new place of residence feels like home. Best of all, independent living at the Oaks is on the Coryell Health campus, putting big city medicine with small town care just moments away for all of our valued residents. Schedule a tour of independent living at the Oaks for yourself or a loved one today.